Transformer Testing and Maintenance Services, Oorja Technical Services Pvt. Limited. India's top most ISO 17025 NABL. Accredited testing and calibration laboratory with 500+ service engineers at pan-India locations. Oorja Transformer testing services include transformer general servicing, thorough inspection, cleaning, tightening, and preventive maintenance to extend transformer life and prevent unexpected failures. Transformer oil filtration, removing moisture, gases, and solid contaminants from transformer oil to restore its dielectric strength and extend insulation life. Clean oil means healthy transformers. Oorja specialize in advanced diagnostics including TAN Delta and SFRA test. TAN Delta for insulation health assessment and moisture detection. SFRA, sweep frequency response analysis, for detecting winding deformations, displacements, and core issues invisible to other tests. Additional tests includes magnetic balance test to detect core faults and interturn shorts. Vector group verification to ensure correct transformer connections for parallel operation. Oorja provides prompt, accurate, and paperless electronically approved documentation system to discoms, wind parks, solar parks, power generation plants, pharmaceutical, chemical, and automobile industries, electrical and electronics industry, aviation manufacturing industry, semiconductor industry, petroleum products industry, chemical, pesticides, and agrochemicals industry, oil, gas, and refineries industry.